Welcome to Outsider Watches and this Seiko SLA057. This is a reinterpretation of the 1968 Divers watch from Seiko. As you can see, the case is slightly more three-dimensional, slightly more sculpted than the 1965 case, which was more two-dimensional, sort of a flatter, more tool-like design. Both beautiful in their own way, but I actually prefer the 1968 version. In terms of specs, this is a limited edition, one of only 600 pieces worldwide. It has the ATEL35 hand-assembled movement with MEMS technology. It's automatic, manual, winding, hacking. Officially, plus 15 to minus 10 seconds a day, but this watch runs at just under 2 seconds fast per day. 50-hour power reserve, 26 joules, and 28,800 vibrations per hour. That's 8 beats per second. The crown and crown tube are replaceable. The case is ever brilliant steel, which has a higher corrosion resistance to 316L steel. It's almost twice as resistant to pitting caused by corrosion. I think this is a beautiful watch. Its dimensions, well, its thickness is just around 13 millimeters, diameter 42.6, and lug to lug 49. This is the watch compared to the SLA073, which is almost an identical watch, except this is in 316L steel. I honestly can't see a great deal of difference, if I'm honest, but as I mentioned, the pitting resistance is higher for the Ever Brilliant. Both stunning watches, and these are, I would say, my favourite two watches in my collection. In terms of the dimensions and a small wrist like mine, I have a 6.5 inch wrist. Well, I'll pop it on in a second or two. Seems to fit really well though. Silicone strap. Date, as you can see, at 4:30. I really like the date at 4:30. I know it divides opinion. So here it is on my smallest wrist. And looking down the barrel, I think it's a really good fit actually. Anyway, that's a quick look. Thanks for watching. See you next time.